Today we're going to be installing a carbon fiber waterfall as well as speaker cover in my C8 Corvette. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Scott, and today we are going to finally be putting some carbon fiber on the inside of the car. Now, Extreme Online has sent me these and they are just beautiful. They are real carbon fiber, as you can see on the inside here, and you can see that they just simply mount by sticky tape, so that's very nice. Makes it a real simple installation. The only thing that we've got to be able to do is we have to take the speaker cover off, and then these will go on. And then this is the back speaker cover that goes up right against the back glass, so this complements them to be able to have a complete surround of your waterfall. So we're just going to go ahead. I'm going to walk you through it. We'll get the camera inside the cabin of the car. I'll show you how this is done, and it'll be real simple, so when you want to get yours. Okay, so sit back, relax, we'll show you how it's done. Alright guys, we are in the car now, and you can see here we've just got our regular, just the regular waterfall here and our cover. So what we're going to do is we've got to be able to, in order to put the waterfall on, we've got to take our cover off, and this is just a snap. Now, I've had this off to be able to put my wind restrictor in, so it should come off pretty easy, but in the event that you have a problem, it doesn't want to come loose, just use one of the little body tools, the nylon body tools that I talk about in my videos all the time, and these are just all put on by spring clips. So we're just going to pull this up. You can see that it snaps loose here pretty easy. Okay, just work it just like that. There we go. Now let me turn it around here so you can see what I'm talking about. We've got these clips right here. That's all there is. Just these here, those. There's a guide pin here that will allow you to get it locked right back in place. But we're going to move this out of the way right in a second. And then you can see here that we're just going to take our waterfall, and it literally just fits into place. And you'll be able to feel it. I mean, it fits right there in that spot in the bottom. And then this just goes in exactly where it belongs, so you can see that. Very simple to do. So what we're going to do here is we're just going to pull the sticky tape off here, and we'll get it prepped, and then what we'll do is we'll go ahead and we'll wipe down the edges here with alcohol to make sure that it sticks really well. Okay guys, well I kind of cheated here. I went off camera and I got almost all of the sticky off, and I'm ready to pull this last one off. So you can see right there that I got it done. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and take a alcohol swab here, and we're going to go ahead and we're just going to wipe this down, and just wipe it all the way down everywhere on here, because we've got a lot of stick tape, so we want it to make sure that it's going to stick. We'll end up doing this to the cover also at the very top, the speaker cover, when we get to that point, but we'll go ahead and we'll wipe this one down, and we'll go ahead and just let it sit here for a second, let the alcohol evaporate, and then we'll be able to go ahead and stick the cover on. Okay, so it's all evaporated now. Now we're going to go ahead and we're just going to stick it on. Now you get it down in here, you'll be able to feel it. There's a groove that it fits into, and then you just push it in. And there we go. So literally start right here at the bottom, push it into that groove, lay it back just like that, and she's done. Then what you can do is you can go ahead and you can take your cover again. Now while we've got it off, we might as well wipe it down with alcohol also. So we'll do that. We're going to wipe everything off over here. Okay, just like that. There we go. Just like that, and then we're going to go ahead and let that dry, and then we'll be able to put this cover back on. We can put the cover back on now while it's drying. It's not a big deal. There is a center pin here, and we'll show you that. that goes right up here, and it just fits in place, and you can push the cover down, just like that. Okay, so now once this is done drying, we're just going to be able to peel our stick tape off and set it in place. All right, now we're just going to go ahead and we remove the stick tape off, and we're just going to go ahead and set this in place. You're just going to put it right up against the back of the glass there, and then you'll bring it forward just a hair to get it right where it needs to be on the speaker, and you'll be able to see that. It fits right into a groove again, and then you just stick it down, just like that. Okay. And that's it, guys. Look how beautiful that looks. So guys, you can see just how simple it is to install a carbon fiber waterfall and speaker grill cover. Just take a look at this. This weave is beautiful. It matches the other part in the car. It just really looks nice, and it's very simple to install. So when it comes time that you want to get a set of these for your car, be sure and go to extremeonlinestore.com, and they'll be able to help you out. Okay, so guys, I just want to thank you guys all for watching today. We're going to be doing more videos on parts for the carbon fiber parts on the inside of the car as well as outside, so stay tuned for those. And those of you, like I said, I always say this all the time, those of you that have been subscribing to the channel, thank you so much. And those of you that are maybe just tuning in for the first time, or you've been watching and you just didn't want to hit the subscribe button, please do me a favor, hit the subscribe button. It really helps. It helps with the algorithms with YouTube. It helps on Google. It helps when I'm talking to a manufacturer. They look at all of my numbers and they want to be able to see just how well our channel does. And when they see that our channel is doing really well, then they're more amped to be able to send us more products to be able to make more videos for you guys. So again, I just want to thank you guys all for watching today. You know, stay tuned for our next ones. We've got a whole bunch more videos to come. So again, thank you, and you guys have a great day.